A man was struck by lightning and lived, but that's not all. The electric shock left him with mesmerizing, tree-like scars called Lichtenberg figures etched across his body. These intricate, branching patterns are a rare and striking phenomenon, making his skin look like a living piece of art. As the lightning bolt surged through him, it caused his blood vessels to burst, creating these fractal designs that are both beautiful and eerie. This incredible survival story highlights the unpredictable and often astounding effects of nature's fury, leaving behind a permanent, awe-inspiring mark that tells a tale of raw power and resilience.